Hi friends, today we are discussing about the ancient reptile. Let's get begin. The crocodile is one of the largest reptile. It has been living on earth for over 160 million years with hardly any changes in its appearance or habits. The reptile has a low slung bodies and armor of bony plates. It is found in the tropical countries, often submerged in large bodies of shallow waters, sluggish river, open swamps and marshes. Even when the crocodile lies submerged in water, it is able to see and breathe as its eye and nostrils are located on top of its head and they protrude above the water surface. The presence of a third eye helps it to see fairly well underwater. When the crocodile goes underwater, a flap in front of tube leading it to its nostrils closes and prevents water from entering its nostrils and ears. It has a long tail with which it propels itself while swimming. On land, a crocodile either slides on its belly or walks with its webbed feet. A crocodile teeth fall and are replaced all through its life. It is a carnivorous. It eats fishes, birds, turtles, like largest animals, and sometimes it's even the man also. The crocodile's eggs resemble a hen's except that they are longer and their shells less brittle. After laying her eggs in the soil, the female crocodile hides them too by covering them with mud, rubbish, and vegetation. She then guards the nest. The eggs hatch in about 90 days. The eggs hatch in about 90 days. As soon as she hears the young one grunt, she dies them out. If they have difficulty in cracking open their shell, she breaks upon them open and then carries them in her mouth to water. Again, I am repeating. She breaks them open and then carries them in her mouth to the water. A few of the 21 species of crocodiles are man eaters. All species have become endangered as human beings captured them for their hides, which they used to make shoes, belts, and handbags. This question for you. It has been observed that the gender of a sea turtle is determined by the temperature of the sand during egg incubation. Warm temperature greater than 29 degrees Celsius produce more females, cooler temperature less than 29 degrees Celsius produce more males. If you know is answer of these questions, then please write in comment section below and subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking subscribe button and click the bell icon. Get notified directly for latest uploads. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.